much stuff that I have to get done today. But the first thing I have to do, I have to do my hair. Yeah, this is the color I'm working with. So I have to style it. Ooh. Ooh. I don't have a clue what I'm gonna do with it yet. I need to figure out a style, something quick. Quick. Because I'm always late. I need to get it together.
Somewhere we need to be. No. I'ma get to know you better. Kinda hoping you forever. Nobody on these streets. If you told me that the world's ending, ain't no other way that I can spend it. Got all this time in my hands. You just broke into darkness. I can stay here forever. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not, long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. If the white with the bob, I'll be your main one. Take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had, yeah, it was magic, yeah. Smash and grab, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose. Snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Main one running. Are you fronting on me and I'm the main one lying? Are you blaming on me? You the main one lying. Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? Just trying to give you everything. Main one running. Are you fronting on me and I'm the main one lying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? And I can't lose. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. I think I know.
Hi guys, welcome back. I have so much things to do and it is so windy. The breeze about to take off the ear from my head. Outside breeze, man, the little thin sweater can't even save me, but it's better than nothing. I wanted to go to my shipping company. That out of the picture. I don't know, something wrong with the package. I can't get them today. I need to go to Price Smart. What else I need to get? I need to go to court. Yeah, I need to go to court. I'm gonna do fridge shopping and get food. I'm hungry. I'm always hungry. This makes so much sense. You can cook two stuff at the same time. Let me see, how much is it? 2,000. Cash price. I love this. Master Tech. See there? That's what I'm getting. They say lino. I was wondering about the length of it, but it have the average width like the stove, so it will definitely work. So I'm not worry about the width, but yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty good. Yeah, and it's affordable, around almost 30 grand. Yeah, yeah, it's alright-ish.
Only me, I knew. Only me, I knew. Only me.
the list. Never planned for buy it, but get it anyways. The extractor fan, the range wood type thing. I don't know the thing go over the stove. Yeah, need that, get that. Yeah. Me I try beat the traffic. The traffic turbo today are Friday, so I don't know that go already. Traffic turbo bad. And I don't know how me go do this. I want to go somewhere else after Price Mart. I don't know if me can make it still now, but we shall see how it goes. And I need to remind myself that you're just going into Price Mart to just pick up a few things and a few things only. We don't have any money today, so we are on a budget. What can't hold now on, I go steal. We not pick up no chally. We just go in and out. Quick one too. I'm happy for myself, you see. I stick within my budget. I buy cherry, strawberry, salmon, apples, oranges. Yeah, I'm gonna stick within the budget. Like, I never go overboard. I never do too much. I just buy what I say I go in a Price Mart go buy. I say, I do want to show the fruits. Me too hungry. Me too hungry. I could have shown them, but I stuff it just wash them off and eat them down. And they're so good. Like, I never expect the cherries would that taste so good. Kind of hesitant for buy them. Yeah, and them taste good. The only thing I never get is blueberry. I'm gonna notice Price Mart hardly have blueberry. What's going on? I never love blueberry, you know, so I don't know why I go on. I didn't want to get some for him. But Price Mart never have any. Like, most of the time when I go Price Mart, they don't have no blueberry. I don't know why I go on. But I'm proud of myself. I look at my ear. It's outside cool. Look at my ear. I know in the first part of the vlog, you see me have curl at front and yeah, me I go on. Look here. Nothing to outside cool. Outside cool, what? Outside cool, you want to see my ear blow. But look at my ear. Look at the color. Guys, I don't love the color here. The color is nice, you know? The color is giving like candy. It's giving, yeah, it's giving mermaid type. Yeah. Nice. Eat down. And I got a lot of compliments. Don't leave out that. I'm not gonna leave out that. I get a lot of compliments. Yeah, look good. I'm gonna have my famous bowl I'm gonna eat over here. So by my famous bowl, I can't get that. Eat down. So good. I'm leaving cut off the cheese now. Because I'm trying to get over the cold I have. I'm eczema and everything in one. And if you cut down off a cheese. But why the things them when you need to cut down off? I think they're not supposed to eat. Them taste so good. Tastes good, man. Hey guys, this look like this at the end of the vlog. I'm gonna finish eat. I'm gonna put on one of my favorite series right now, The Good Doctor. Yeah, I'm gonna end the live. I'm gonna end the you more end the live. Oh my god, why everything with up on TikTok? I'm gonna end the vlog. Yeah guys, I'll see you in my next vlog. Thanks for watching as always. Remember to subscribe if you're new here. Welcome. Remember to like the video and remember to comment in the comment section. And I'll see you again.